Hey guys, what you see here is a 50-inch Casablanca Panama ceiling fan in the snow white finish. This fan is paired with a low ceiling adapter as well as a Casablanca dome light kit. And this particular model is from August 17th, 2000, and it was the 112th fan made that day. See, there's the tag right there. And 2000, I believe, was the last year they did tags like this. In 2001, they switched to those basic Casablanca tags, as shown on that Delta 3. And this one I've actually had sitting around for, I believe, 3 or 4 years. I got this off a marketplace 3 or 4 years ago. I think I paid around $15 for it. And I've always liked these light kits, as well as obviously a low ceiling adapter. That was a bonus with it. And this was from the Hunter Blanca era, because as you can see, it actually has an older Hunter breakaway connector on it. I've had some other Casablancas that have had those connectors on it. So this is obviously after they switched to the Hunter Blanca era. But anyways, I'll turn the light on. Has two 40-watt appliance bulbs in there that came with it. It's just been sitting in a box ever since I got it here in the shed. There's that. I started off on low speed. It also has the protector on the pull chain so it doesn't scratch against the light kit. Had one of the Casablanca that had that, and it was all dried out. Speaking of dried out, this light kit is not designed very well. A lot of the electrical components in the switch housing were cooked, and the wires were very brittle, so I'm going to have to do some work on that. It's nice low speed. Flywheel's in pretty good shape. Of course, it's very quiet. That clicking is my clock right there. I just got that working again. It's about low speed. Kick it up to medium. Very basic fan. I have a lot of Panamas, so there's really not much else to say about them. Panamas are childhood fans, pretty much to everybody. Yeah. I believe this was also the first year they switched to the concealed hardware blade irons. I do have Panamas from 1999, and they have the open blade arms. If you don't know what I'm talking about. There you can see that is an open blade arm that I call it. It has the screw holes in it. And this one is the concealed. It's high. It's coming a wind tunnel here in the shed. It's moving the little craft mate up there too. Kicking a good breeze out. Turn the light on. Get a little view of that. Blades are in pretty good alignment. Not too bad. Off. Stop the blades. Sitting in that box for the longest amount of time. Finally pulled it out of there though. And give you a little close up of it. It's in pretty fair shape too. Really not too many scratches on it. But yeah. So anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.